If you're going to Pondicherry this summer and you're booking a basic hotel, stop right there.
Because we just found a place where you can step out of your room and straight into your own private pool.
This is K Resort located just 10 minutes from Oroville, surrounded by greenery, lot of stillness, and it's actually private.
Like you don't feel like sharing it with the entire internet.
We came here for a little vacation ourselves.
And somehow managed to get work done, take pool breaks, slow down, and we're not complaining.
And this place is not just pretty, you can actually do things here. For example, tennis that got way more competitive than expected, even though we were just newbies starting out.
Mini golf, long walks, open lawns everywhere.
There's even a private lake where you can go kayaking, coracle rides, or just sit there and do absolutely nothing.
And this is a perfect place to host a bridal shower
Or your birthday, or even bring your team for an actual reset. Spread across 30 acres with 70 villas, this place is massive. And for food, you have Celine's Kitchen right here on the property that serves the yummiest meals.
Not every vacation feels like home, but at K Resort, your pet isn't just allowed, they're welcomed. Our vast open grounds are made for freedom to run, roam, and revel in the outdoors. Indoors, they're always welcome too. Just keep them leashed and they're part of the experience. And yes, there's even a dedicated pet pool for when your furry friend wants to cool off in style. Because here, luxury isn't just for humans, it's for every member of your family, even the four legged.